We go to great lengths to provide safe, clean, reliable, and affordable water service to our communities. Our testing shows that the water we deliver to your home or business meets all state and federal requirements for lead. The most common source of lead in tap water is from lead service lines or a customer's internal plumbing. We are committed to removing the risk of lead service lines once and for all. Here's how the program works. If you live in a neighborhood where we are planning to replace the water main, our team will work with you to determine if your service line is made of lead. This may require us to enter your home or dig a few small test pits over your existing service line. We would also work with you to coordinate the replacement of your service line. Then we'll take it from there. To replace the utility-owned portion of the service line, our team will dig a hole in the street and at your property line to install a new service line. If the customer-owned portion is lead, then we will install a new, safer pipe from your property line to your home. Typically, there is a brief interruption of service while we perform this work. Once your line has been replaced, we'll give you instructions for flushing your plumbing and water sampling so you can continue your normal water use. We have a long history of providing community solutions, and that includes addressing lead service line replacements for your health, safety, and peace of mind. For more information about our lead service line replacement program, please visit our website